Hi guys, good afternoon.
Hola,
Hola,
maestro.
mister.
Hello, good afternoon.
Wow.
Good afternoon.
No sé cómo se dice.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, amazing. How are you today?
Mister, yo le mandé language.
Yes, thank
Yo
you.
le mandé penmanship.
Okay, yes, some of you have sent me the penmanship homework. That's good. I will be checking.
Yeah.
I finished the homework.
Numbers. The phone. Point.
Buenas tardes, mister.
Hey, good afternoon.
Mister, después le voy a mandar las fotos de spelling.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Ya le voy a enviar la tarea.
All right, guys, good to see you. Give me a moment. I'm going to mute you. Wait.
Hola, mister.
Hello, good afternoon. Good to see you.
I have a question, teacher.
This is my number.
I have a question.
Good, Genesis, very good. Excellent. You did the homework. Excellent. That's good. Okay, guys, let's begin. Yes, Derek, tell me.
What's the topic? And I finished the penmanship homework. And what's the topic?
The topic for penmanship or language?
Language.
Okay, the topic is identifying subjects and verbs plus what and who send questions. I'm going to write it down. No, don't worry. Okay, wait. I will give you time. We need to hurry up. So the topic for today, I'm going to write it down in the chat for you to copy. The topic is identifying subjects and verbs.
Teacher es este, ¿verdad?
For language, we don't have notebook. We don't have notebook.
Puedes ocupar el azul.
But you can use, yes, you can use reading. Reading.
Mister. Y hoy tenemos tarea de language.
No, we don't have homework.
Copiamos esto.
Questions. What and who?
Mister, y vamos a trabajar en el cuaderno.
No, you don't. You only have to pay attention. Yes, you don't have to copy anything. Don't copy. All right, guys. So let's begin with the class. Let's begin. Today's February 3rd, 2021. Welcome to another language class. Today we are going to learn about the subjects, identifying subjects and verbs, plus what and who questions. Okay, that is an important topic. Let's see, any question? No, we don't have, we are not going to use the notebook. Only pay attention. Okay, Catherine? Good, Genesis. Only pay attention to this because we have a practice at the end of the explanation. Wonderful. Yes, let's continue. All right, I need any volunteer who can help me read this paragraph, please. Who wants to read the paragraph? Michelle Rivas, okay, go ahead. Activate your microphone, please. Thank you.
Can you hear me, teacher?
Yes, so good.
Identifying subjects. The subject of a sentence performs the actions.
Indicating
by the main verb. That is, the subject is the doer of the word of the action. The diva was singing. The diva is doing the action of singing. The glass broke. The glass is doing the action of breaking. The audience starts to applaud. The audience is doing the action of applauding.
Excellent. Okay, excellent. So good. That's the explanation about subjects and verbs. So last class we saw and talk about the difference, the subjects and verbs. Remember, the subject is the doer. Here it says the doer is the person who performs the action. But the verb is the action verb. It's any action that you do or I do. Okay, so let's continue. This is just a review, a little review. To identify the subject of the sentence. Okay, so this is the real topic for today's class. Any volunteer? Any other volunteer who wants to help me? Derek, go ahead. Thank you.
What? The blue or the red?
The red one, please.
Who or what is verb? In the following example, the subjects have been underlined once and the verb underlines twice.
Good. So to identify the subject of a sentence, we need to ask ourselves who or what. We are going to use these questions, these WH questions. Who is the person or what is the action? In that case, it's asking the verb. All right. So let me give you an example. So let's see. This is a familiar chart, a familiar examples. We have sentence and the question. So now let's focus on this. Let's see. Esther, go ahead. Help me, please. Read this information, the sentence and the question, please. Esther Palacios, go ahead. Thank you.
Okay. Running a marathon is not fun. What is not fun? Running.
Continue.
The supermodel model is going to Paris. What is going to Paris? The supermodel. Liz and Ryan
Yes.
have been watching bad really TV. Who is watching? Who is watching TV? Liz and Ryan. The bicycle had been left in the rain. What has been left in the rain? The bicycle.
The bicycle. Okay. So here we have, I will give you the explanation. Thank you. Amazing pronunciation. Let's see. Okay. Let me take the pencil. For in this class, we are going to identify for what is, in this case, I know running is a verb. It's a verb, but in this case, it becomes as a subject because it's at the beginning of the sentence. So what is answering the question that is running in this case? Who is answering the question to the person, is asking about the person. For example, the supermodel is going to Paris, but I ask a question. Who is going to Paris? Me? No. My mother? No. Who is going to Paris? The supermodel. So the answer is the supermodel we have here. So that is the answer for who. Let's see the third example. Third one. Liz and Ryan have been watching bad reality TV or a TV show. Who is watching TV? So we have two people, Liz and Ryan. So if I ask you, who is watching TV? The mister? The miss? No. In this situation is the people who are watching TV are Liz and Ryan. Simple. So my recommendation is to see the subjects and verbs. Simple. All right. Number 4, the bicycle had been left in the rain. Okay, but here we have the double H question, what? For objects, 4 objects have been left in the rain. Okay, so what have been left in the rain? The bicycle. That's my answer. All right. The example, who drink my soda? Exactly. Who is asking who? I mean, the person. What kind of person or what person or who drank the soda? Very good. Very good, Marcos. Excellent example. Okay, okay. No problem, Alessandra. No problem. I understand. Let's see. Let's see one more. Let's see if we have more examples. Okay, if you have any question, please ask in the chat, write in the chat, or tell me. Let's see. Next one. For example, to cheer, to celebrate, to cheer himself up, he watched all detective movies and ate ice cream. Okay, so now what we have to do in this practice, let's see, any volunteer. Genesis, help me, please. I know you wanted to participate. Help me. Thank you.
The letters blue.
Read the blue paragraph, please. Thank you.
Practice. Find subjects and main verbs in the following sentence. Underline the subject once and the main verbs as
Twice. Excellent.
twice.
Okay, so let me explain to you. I'm going to explain to you. Okay, what we are gonna do. What we are going to do. This, excellent, Nicole, excellent example. Who ate my cake? Excellent. So in this case, we need to underline. Underline is this, underline, okay? So we need to underline the subject once. So one time, he, in this case, is the subject. We underline once. And the verbs, okay? So here in this sentence, we have some verbs. For example, we have watched, you know, watch TV, but in this case, is in the past. Exactly, and ate. Wonderful, Derek. So we need to underline twice, 1 and 2. So this is the dynamic, the activity, the practice. All right, let's begin. Let's continue. Let's continue with the second slide. All right, keep practicing. Let's see, any volunteer who wants to help me to identify the subjects and verbs?
Me,
Thank you. Okay,
Mister.
give me a moment. Wait, Derek, wait. Okay, Arlof, go ahead. Thank you. I know you wanted to participate. Arlof, help me with the number 1.
They had just left their car when some stray cat started fighting in a side alley.
All right. So what is the subject here, Arlof? Analyze it. The subject. First, the subject. They, correct. That is the principal subject. Good. And the verbs?
Car.
Car is a noun. In Spanish, sustantivo, that is a noun. So it's not possible. The verbs could be, I don't know, probably, could be just or left. Which one? Left, yes, left. In this case, good. And let's see if we have another subject. Some stray cats started, yes, 5. Okay, here we have a compound. We have 2 subjects and more subjects. So let me give you an example. We have they and left. Underline twice the verb. Okay. And the continuation of this. And the other subject is some stray cats. Cats, it's another subject. And another verb here. Who can help me? What? Oh, aha, started. Very good, Genesis. That's wonderful. It started.
Fighting.
It started fighting. Yes, we have two verbs here.
Win.
Nice. Nice. Okay. So continue. Derek, tell me with the second one, please.
When couple walked in and sat down at the bar, nobody bothered to look up.
All right.
Couple, pareja,
Exactly.
couples.
When couple. Couple is the subject or verb?
Subject.
It's the subject. Wonderful. So underline once. And the verb?
Walk.
Walked twice. Okay. Underline twice. And we have, so I have a question. We have one more subject.
Sat.
Sat down. Yes. Sat in this case. Sat. That is a phrasal verb. Good. At the bar. And we have a compound subject or compound sentence. We have
Nobody bothered.
nobody. Wonderful. Splendid. Yes, nobody is the other subject. And another verb?
Bothered.
Bother. Okay, bother is like annoy, annoy. When you annoy someone or you bother constantly. Molestar, bother, that is bother. All right, in Spanish. Wonderful, Genesis. Exactly. Let's see. Thank you, Derek. Amazing participation. So help me. In this case, let me see. Brandon, help me, please, with the third one.
The father was wiping down the computer and Sophie's think two systems.
All right. I know it's difficult, but it's possible. The bartender, okay, is talking about a man. So what is the subject here? Who is the subject here?
Was
That is the verb.
um,
The
wiping
subject. The subject.
wanted
It could be probably, I don't know, probably
Sophie
the or bartender.
bartender.
Bartender is the subject. Good. And the verbs?
Sophie, no, perdón,
Was wiping down. Yes, was wiping is the subject. Is the sorry, is the verb. Good. And softly whistling to himself. Okay, it was like he was a little bit sad and happy and all those emotions. Okay, and whistling, in this case, we have another verb, whistling. All right. So guys, thank you. Amazing. Counter, okay. Let's see.
Himself is a subject.
Tell me.
Himself is a subject.
Himself
no?
is a subject, yes, but it's secondary. It's secondary. It's the same. It's bartender. It's the same. Good. Let's see. Let's erase this to continue. All right, guys. Hey, you are very amazing. Next one. We have more. Let's see. Who can help me to identify these subjects? Let's see. Diego Avila, go ahead. Thank you. Read, please, the number one.
Hunched over a table in the back corner. Four men were enjoying a friendly game of cards.
All right. I know this is like a tricky. It's kind of difficult, but you can. Who is the subject, Diego? Who is the subject? I will help you. I will help you.
Men.
Exactly. Good. Well done. Man is the subject. And what about the verbs? What is the verb?
Mm, over.
Over is a preposition.
Enjoying.
Enjoying. We're enjoying. Good, Derek. Very good. It's a compound subject. Sorry, it's compound verb. Good. We're enjoying. Good. So this is the complement. Never mind. Forget it. Good. Diego and Derek. Very good. Thank you. Any other volunteer, please help me. Okay, wait. Valeria Fuentes, go ahead. Read number 3. I'm sorry, 2. Number 2.
And suddenly a man in the back stood and threw his cards down on the table, crying loudly.
Loudly. Very good. So here we have a subject. What is the subject, or who is the subject?
Man.
Man. Good. Excellent. And the verbs?
Crying.
Crying. Okay, that is one. Yes, that is one. But we have more. We have more verbs. Analyze it. Word
Loudly.
exactly. Which one?
Loudly.
Feel.
Loudly is an adverb. That is different. Adverb.
Through.
Through. Yes. Thank you, Derek. Through. And we have one more. We have
Down.
down. No, down is a preposition. Let's see. It could be back. Which one?
Stood.
Stood. Yes, stood. Very good. It's the simple past of stand. You know, stand up. So that is the verb in present. But in past is stood. Excellent. Very good. Number 3. Who wants to help me? Okay, go ahead. Let me see.
You.
Michelle, okay, go ahead. Thank you.
When he began to reach in his pocket, the couple looked at each other
Anxiously.
anxiously and
Yes.
then hurriedly backed out the door.
Exactly, back out the door. So let's analyze. What is the subject? Where is the subject here? We have one more. We have one more down. Began, good, but be careful because began is another part. Began is a verb, exactly. He is the subject. Excellent. Let's see. Began is the verb twice, underline twice. We have more.
Hurriedly.
Hurriedly, it's an adverb. That is an adverb.
Lo tengo. Look at.
Looked, okay, but that is a subject or verb.
There is a verb.
Yes, that is a verb. Underline twice. Good. And the couple, what is this? It's
Couple.
subject, preposition, what?
Pareja.
There is a subject.
Okay, it's a subject, correct. So that is the subject, underline once. And then we have more. Okay, but that is a complement. Never mind. Forget it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay. No, don't copy this. Don't copy. Just pay attention. Remember, this is a diagnostic class. Okay? This is just to see how good we are. Let's erase this. And remember, we don't have homework for language. We don't have homework. Relax. Thank you. Next one. Okay. Help me to complete the sentences. Well, that is a question. For example, Derek, read the number 1, please.
The technician is very happy.
Good. Be careful. It's technician. Technician. Excellent. Good. So the technician, I know it's the subject, but we need to write what or who here in the space, in the blank space. We need to make the question. Let me give you an example.
What?
What or who?
What is doing?
Who?
What is the expression of the technician?
What is the expression? Okay, but we need to use the same complement. We need to copy and paste the same complement.
Did the technician is happy?
For example, okay, is very happy. But we need to write here at the beginning, what or who?
Who is very happy?
Yes, that one. That's the answer. Amazing. We need to write who. Why? Because it's asking the person.
Technician.
Exactly. That is the answer. So the question will be like this. Who is very happy? That technician is very happy. That is the answer. Good, guys. Very good.
Technician is very happy.
Exactly. Who is that question? Is the WH question. Substitutes technician. Remember that. Excellent. Let's continue. George. Okay. Any other volunteer, please? Who wants to read that sentence?
You.
Michelle, please go ahead.
George is going to Venezuela tomorrow.
Excellent. Okay. Wait for me. Yes, Natalie. Very good, Natalie. Very good. Okay, don't worry, Belen Cruz. Don't worry. Where? Marcos. Okay, wait. We don't have to use where. Only what or who. Okay, next one. Esther Palacios, next one. So George is going to Venezuela tomorrow. We need to make the question. For example.
What is going tomorrow?
What is going tomorrow?
Who is going tomorrow?
Who is going tomorrow?
Exactly,
No.
but it's missing.
Who is going tomorrow?
Who is going to Venezuela?
Exactly.
Who is going to Venezuela?
Who is going?
Who is going tomorrow? For have to talking for a person. George going to Venezuela. The question is who is going tomorrow?
Okay, but in that case, remember we need to fix it because it is incomplete. We need to use exactly.
Who is going tomorrow?
Who is going tomorrow, but where? United States, El Salvador.
Who is going to Venezuela tomorrow?
Exactly. So we need to write again.
For I talking to George, who is for a person. George is going to Venezuela.
Amazing. Who is for people, for person. Good. And what is for emotions or things, objects. Amazing. So this is the illustration. Okay, Esther Palacios, help me please with the next one. Let me erase this. Wait, give me a moment. All right. Let's continue. What or who? What or who? Okay. We need to pick up. We need to select this one. Help me, Esther, please.
Okay.
Read number one.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Being late is not good.
Okay. So here, select. Help me, Esther. Help me. You need to select what or who about this.
Mister, ¿y qué significa being?
Being. Sorry. Being is like estar, llegar o estar en este caso. In Spanish, yes. Being late is not good.
What is not good?
Aha. So, okay, let's do different. We are going to circle. Circle like this. Okay. Semicircle. Okay. So in this case, what is not good? Is that correct? Yes, is that correct one? It's impossible. Who is not good? No, that is impossible because what is for objects or things? Who is for people? Remember that. Okay, any other volunteer? Please help me with the next one. Let's see.
Me.
All right, Derek, go ahead. Thank you. Read, please.
Ranger, my dog is so brave.
Brave. Okay, brave is valiente, brave. Okay, we need to ask the question, what or who?
Who is brave?
Who is brave? Amazing. That's the correct answer. Who is brave? Because, sorry, I forgot to mention this. Who is also for people, animals, and animals. Okay, again, one more time. Yes, not only for people. Who is possible with animals? Okay, who is brave? And the answer is Ranger, my dog is so brave. Well,
like one of my dog. When he have a stomachache, is very brave.
Okay, yes, he needs to take an aspirin. No, you need to go to, he needs to go to the veterinarian. Okay, who is so brave? That is the question. Okay, guys, we almost finished. We almost finished.
Oh, I want more time.
Okay, let me see. I'm going to erase this because they are the latest notes. And then one more volunteer. Help me, please. Wait. Okay. Help me. I'm going to choose a person that has not participated. Okay. Isias, thank you. Help me, please. Read the number 1 here. Help me, please. Go ahead. Are you there? Isias? Activate your microphone. Go ahead. Thank you. Can you listen? Can you hear me? Okay, probably Isias has some technical issues. Okay. Josue, please help me. Read the number 1. Please. Go ahead. Okay, someone of you are writing me. Okay, Genesis, excellent. Okay. What's going on? You don't appear. Okay. Anyway, okay. Let's see. Catherine Navas, go ahead. Thank you. Read, please.
The computer is not working well.
It's not working well, the computer. Good. So what is the correct option? What or who?
What is not working well?
Amazing. Splendid. Very good. What is for objects or for things? What is not working well? That's the question, the correct question. Thank you. And the last one, who wants to help me, please? Go ahead.
You.
Thank you. Who? Who is saying? Okay, go ahead. Thank you.
Esther Palacios.
Esther,
Esther just want to participate.
you wanted to
Can you
participate?
hear me, mister?
Yes, I can hear you. Thank you.
Okay. They are very friendly.
Good.
The
What is it?
question
Huh.
is who are very friendly?
Okay. Very.
No sería
Tell me.
who is.
Who is? No, because it's the contraction of who is. So in this case, remember
What?
the
What
context.
are very friendly?
What are very friendly, Michelle? It's impossible because remember, they are people. They is people.
The
It's
only
plural.
friendly can use
She's very friendly.
Who, okay. But in this case, it's plural. It's
Who's
plural.
are very friendly?
Exactly.
Who? Who's?
Or whose. Okay, let's do something.
Very
The
friendly.
question in English will be always will be like this. Who is? Remember, but we know, but in this situation or the context is plural.
I
Okay.
told it.
Yes, thank you, Derek. You're right. Okay, so that's the answer. The answer is they are friendly. Who is friendly? Very friendly. They are very friendly. They are very talkative. Okay, they like to help people, etc.
Teacher.
Aha, thank you. Tell me, Derek.
We can write whose.
Whose? Yes, it's possible. The contraction like this, whose. But whose is not for plural. Be careful. Who is the same as you said, who is. Remember, whose is the contraction of who is.
Okay.
Amazing. Yes. Okay. We are going to finish with the class. Let's see if we have one more. If not, we are good. Okay, that was the last part. So guys, thank you for connecting to the class. This is the last class about today. So see you tomorrow, please. Have a good day and God bless you. Joa, take care.
Bye, teacher.
Have a good day.
Mañana tenemos
Bye, take care. Thank you.
Mañana tenemos art.
Yes.
No,
Until
el viernes
Friday.
tenemos.
Bye
See
bye.
you tomorrow.
See you soon.
Nos conectamos y nos ponemos.
See you tomorrow.
Adiós,